Good morning, class. Good morning, Atharv Singh, Stuti Khandelwal. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Children, it's a combined class, so let's wait for other students to join. Class 4th A and 4th B. So let everybody join in, then we'll begin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. So less students have joined till now. Despite being a combined class, I think we will have to wait for another 1 or 2 minutes for everybody to join. Otherwise, later children will be after me. Ma'am, what we are doing, what we are doing. All of you, meanwhile, get ready with your SST copies and books. Class 4th A, we did till question number 1 yesterday, right? What is the timeline? Isn't it?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Class 4th A. And what about class 4th B? Stuti, till where have we done?
Ma'am, what is timeline?
What is the timeline? We have done that question?
Yes, ma'am. I'll answer also.
Oh, wonderful. So both the classes are at the same place. So we need not worry. What is the next question?
Ma'am, but we are not written the answer of first question.
We have not written the answer.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes.
Ma'am, we have not written the answer.
Okay.
Yes,
No problem. No problem. Class 4B. We will write the answer today. Now I want a class.
Just the answer, but not right.
Akshat, you are from class 4th A, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in 4th
Yes,
A, we have written the answer of timeline. What is the timeline?
No, ma'am.
Right?
No, ma'am. We have not written it. That's not right, ma'am. We have discussed.
Okay. And class 4th B, we have written the answer?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So, okay, maybe I'm confused in both the sections. In one section we have done, in the other one we have not done. Okay, in class 4th, who will tell me what is the timeline? Yes?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Timeline are an extremely important source of history since they give us the exact order of various events that happened in the past.
Okay, very nice. But how are we going to write it? See, still students are joining. Let me take one more minute. Otherwise, it is going to be a problem for me only. Children, those who have just joined, please take out your SST copies and books. We are going to do question answers today of the chapter timeline. Okay?
Morning, ma'am.
We are on question number 1, class 4th A. What is a timeline? So what's a timeline? A timeline is a list of events in the order they happened.
Ma'am, I have done the question number 1 on half.
Rishabh, yes, 4th B has done, 4th A still has to do it.
Ma'am, I have done only answer first of half.
Ma'am, can you speak again?
No, beta, not today. We are not going to play a game today. We'll play a game tomorrow. Because today we are going to complete this chapter.
Ma'am, can you speak? What is the answer of what is the timeline?
I will tell you. Okay, shall I write the answer in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now everybody get ready. Nobody will speak in between. Let me type the answer.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
I'm done. I'm done.
Beta, the answer is not complete. This is not all. I'm typing after it. Beta, we are doing question answers of the chapter timelines. I am typing the answer of the first question in the chat box. What is a timeline?
Ma'am, done answer one.
Okay, children. Now answer one is complete. And Manas, beta, you are not supposed to type in the chat box when I am typing something. Today, nobody will type in the chat box till I tell you to. Okay, only if I say you to type an answer to copy something, then you'll do. Otherwise, nobody will write in the chat box. Now, answer one is complete.
Ma'am, by mistake,
Okay.
by mistake, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. A timeline is a list of events in the order they happen. They are an important source of history as they tell us the exact order of events occurred in the past.
Ma'am, this is the full answer.
Yes?
Ma'am, this is the full answer. Let me speak now.
Yes, beta. This is the full answer.
Ma'am, I have done.
Please, sir. Question
Ma'am,
one.
Rishabh Kumar, I have done.
Beta, I have sent it now in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have done answer number one.
Anybody in the class who wants me to send the answer once again?
I have done the first answer.
Beta, somebody was asking, no, ma'am, please send again. So I'm asking. Is there anybody who wants me to send it again? Okay, no one. Now, what is the next question?
Ma'am, give 2 points to show how the Gregorian calendar is different from the Sakha calendar.
I'm writing.
Vedanshu, read out the next question, beta.
Ma'am, I'm writing, so can you please
Give 2 points to show how the Gregorian calendar is similar to and is different from the Saka calendar.
Give 2 points to show. Give 2 points to show. What is it?
How the Gregorian calendar.
Okay, wait. Beta slowly. How the I'm writing it. I'm writing the question. That is why I'm saying you to read out. Give 2 points to show how the Gregorian calendar
Is
similar.
is similar.
similar
Okay.
to
Hmm.
and is
Only
is
one person. Only one person will speak. And
is different
is different
from the
from the.
Saka calendar.
Okay. Thank you. From the Saka calendar. Now, class 4th B. Any student who will answer this question, because I had already discussed this one in class 4th A yesterday. Now, class 4th B, who will tell me the answer of this one? Can you tell 2 points to show how the Gregorian calendar is similar? Yes. Who wants to tell from class 4th B?
Ma'am, we have to tell this similar and different. Ma'am, can I tell?
You have to tell, Akshat, you have to tell 2 similarities and 2 differences in both the calendars.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Akshat, you're from 4th A, no? I want a 4th B student to do it. Who will tell me from 4th B? Stuti is raising her hand. No one else. Okay, Stuti, tell. Shirsh is also raising. Very good. Stuti, tell me 2 similarities.
Both are solar calendars based to the completion of one revolution of the Earth around the Sun. There are 12 months in both the calendars.
Okay. Shirsh, tell me the differences.
The Gregorian calendar starts with the month of January, but the first month of the Saka calendar is Chaitra, which falls in the month of March in the Gregorian calendar. The Saka calendar starts 70 years after the Gregorian calendar, thus a date in the Saka calendar is always 78 years less than the Gregorian calendar.
Very nice. So let's just write down 2 simple similarities and 2 simple differences between both the calendars. The 2 similarities, number 1, they both are solar calendars. Number 2, they both are divided into 12 months. Now I'm typing the answer in the chat box. Everybody will see from there and write.
Ma'am, I have done answer 2.
Beta, I have only not done. How have you done?
Ma'am, please send answer number 2 again. Ma'am, the second answer is now completed. Or there is any other thing we have to write?
Beta, I have just sent you 2 similarities. We have to tell 2 differences also, na? 2 differences are that it was invented in Europe and Saka calendar was invented in India. Then Gregorian calendar is known as Western calendar or Christian calendar, while Saka calendar is known as
Indian National Calendar.
yes.
Ma'am, I am on different calendar. Ma'am, done.
I have also done answer 2. Ma'am, please again send the answer number.
Okay, beta, I will send the answer once again. Just wait. One of you who can just copy paste and send it the whole answer.
Ma'am, which answer?
Answer number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop it. Stop it. Nobody will do it. I'll do it. No one will send it now. Nobody will do it now. I'm telling no. Now see, answer 2 is once again in the chat box, beta. Find 2 similarities and 2 differences. Can you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I also.
What is question number 3? What is question number 3? Who will tell?
Why are the
terms CE and BCE important in history?
important in history?
Why are the terms? Which terms?
CE and BCE.
CE and
Important
BCE.
BCE. Important
Yes, important
in history.
in history. Why are the terms CE and BCE important in history? Okay, Stuti, yes, tell beta.
Timelines are an extremely important source of history science. They give us to such
Beta, Stuti, what is asked? What is asked in the question, and what are you telling? You are telling about timelines, and what is asked in the question? Yes, Stuti, tell me. They are asking why these terms are important, isn't it? And what are you telling? Why are the terms CE and BCE important in history? Now,
the time before the birth of Jesus Christ are referred to as BC or BCE, and the time after he was born is referred to as AD or CE.
okay. Now listen. Again, children, for this, anybody from 4th A who would like to answer it? Anyone who can answer this question from 4th A? Why are these terms important? Okay. I am going to type the answer in the chat box. Don't worry if you cannot answer. Why these terms are important? Because they have been replaced. And by these terms, we come to know what happened before Jesus Christ's birth and after his birth. Okay?
Ma'am, please send the answer number 3.
I will send it, beta. I'm sending it. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please send the answer number 3. Ma'am, please send the answer number 3.
Okay, can you see this answer in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, mute yourself. Who is this, Unsha? Mute yourself. Beta, you want me to send the answer again to you? Okay, again the answer is in the chat box.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done the work. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. After different.
Yes, beta. Can anybody please tell what he's saying? Because I can't understand.
Ma'am, what is written after different?
Different eras. Different era. ERAS.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Now, time for what? Time for beautification. Start underlining, start giving finishing to your work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, full chapter. Ma'am, full chapter को beautification देना है?
Yes. Now, in this chapter, what we have done fill in the blanks and answer these questions in the copy. And also the key points. That's all. Nothing much in this chapter has been done. Yes? What, beta?
And fill in the blanks we are doing in copy.
Yes, fill in the blanks we have done in the copy.
Ma'am, I have done answer please.
Very good, very nice. Now it's time for beautification. Start using colors and everything that I have told you in question numbers and everything. Give finishing to your work. Draw a line after each answer. each exercise.
Ma'am, I have done all three answers and question also.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done question answers.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have done the beautification.
Now make a PDF and send it on the class group.
Ma'am, when the class will over?
At 9:45, thanks for reminding me. I have to send the link for the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, only 5 minutes are left to classes to be over.
Okay, 4th B, I again have class with you. You know it's my class next.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to make a PDF.
Yes, beta, make a PDF and send it on the class group. Send your work on the
Ma'am,
class.
Ma'am, after this, there are period of science.
We have period of
Science.
what are you saying? Which period do you have?
Ma'am, Hindi grammar.
No, beta, it's my class. Now it will be 4th period, no?
No, ma'am, in 4th period,
SST, yes, it's my class.
Ma'am, in 4th period also a combined class in 4th
No,
period.
it is not a combined class.
Ma'am, in 4th period, there is a Hindi grammar class. Ma'am, after this class, I have say.
Listen, at 9:45, it is your SST class or it's your Hindi class?
Ma'am, Hindi grammar class. Ma'am, SST class. Ma'am, our class is SST. Timetable is written. Next class is T.
Beta, I'm talking to 4th B students, not 4th A.
Ma'am, SST.
Yes,
Ma'am,
this is
science.
science. Now science is a new thing. Beta, it's not science. Okay, we'll see to it what it is. See, no, science teacher has not shared any link. It's my class only.
No, ma'am. Hindi grammar. Class, what we have to do?
In the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
Next class, beta, we'll see what we will do. Because we will not start anything new.
Ma'am,
Yes.
send it the link.
Who has sent the link? I have sent now. I have sent the
I
link.
think after this, class continue. After this, your class and we are doing the next chapter.
What? What are you asking, beta? I can't understand.
Ma'am, which is next class?
Next class,
the
I have SST class in 4th B. Very good, Aradhya. I got your work. Very nice.
Hindi grammar.
Yes, 4th A it is Hindi grammar. 4th B it is SST.
Can you to join the Hindi grammar class? For class there is and getting in next class.
What, beta? What in next class?
We are doing the next chapter in the next class.
No, beta, we will not do next chapter. We will remain till 2 chapters only. We are not going to start any new chapter. We'll do revision. Yes.
Mom, I don't have the app to make the PDF.
Okay, you can't make a PDF. All right, beta, no problem. Just send loose images.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone has done the work. All the question answers and everything have been done. Yes, wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
PDF.
You're making PDF now?
Ma'am, the class is over now.
Yes. Bye to all of you.
Please, ma'am, please wait, ma'am. Ma'am, it is too less, ma'am. Ma'am,
What is less?
Complete answer 1, answer 3, so I take the screenshot.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, beta. Bye to all of you.
bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.